In 2021, as a direct response to the COVID-19 pandemic and resulting hunger crisis, an executive order was signed establishing the Hudson County Food Security Task Force under the Department of Health and Human Services. The purpose of the task force is to guide the development and implementation of a plan to help ensure that the long-term food needs of Hudson County residents are met. The task force, which is comprised of residents, advocates, service providers, and governmental representatives, determined that the first step in the planning process should involve an assessment of food assistance services in place by the county and to identify additional supports that may be needed. With support from New Jersey City University, a needs assessment conducted from May 2021 to July 2021 yielded over 10,000 responses, which were used to analyze the utilization of current food assistance services offered by the county and to identify additional supports that may be needed.
Findings from the needs assessment helped shape initial task force goals, including increase the number of affiliated food pantries within Hudson County, increase the capacity of existing services among CFB-NJ affiliated pantries, and support the expansion of the CFB-NJ mobile food pantry units and routes in Hudson County. Create community gardens and year-round fresh markets in Hudson County. Develop strategies to maximize the use of existing programs such as SNAP, WIC, etc., and strategically place kiosks throughout the county for community access to information about available resources and applications for benefit assistance. Establish a food security navigator within the DHHS who can act as a centralized hub for information about and linkage to food security resources and services and assist individuals with benefit applications as necessary. Create a guide that contains consolidated information about social services and establish a grassroots effort to disseminate information about available resources by identifying collaborating agencies to support food pantries and disseminate information. In 2023, over $650,000 was awarded to various pantries to support three specific areas. 1, the creation of a mobile food pantry. 2, overhead expenses for newly established pantries. And 3, creation of mini pantries and nonprofit community-based organizations.
The task force continues to expand our efforts, and through a cooperative agreement with Rutgers University, we've been able to offer free nutrition education to our residents. Our senior program coordinator, Delma Yorimoto, hosted a Food Fuels Mind art exhibit in 2023, where artwork was created in response to interviews with students from Hudson County Community College who have experienced food insecurity. Additionally, we have established 2 community family learning gardens at county parks in Jersey City, as well as West Hudson Park in Kearney. At these parks, free classes, clubs, and programs are routinely offered to teach individuals how to garden in an urban environment. Furthermore, with the task force being housed within the Department of Health and Human Services, our efforts encourage the narrative of food as medicine. In 2019, a report from Feeding America found that food insecure adults in the state of New Jersey incurred a total of $1.34 billion in excess healthcare costs due to food insecurity. In Hudson County alone, food insecure adults spend approximately $2,328 more in healthcare costs than those who are food secure. Because of this, we are proud to say that Hudson County is the only county currently in New Jersey that is a recipient of the Gus Shoemaker Nutrition Incentive Program. This produce prescription program was awarded an amount of $500,000 in 2022 in order to create food pharmacies at the 3 federally qualified health centers here in Hudson County. Our efforts are ongoing, and most recently, with encouragement from County Executive Guy, we hosted a successful food security summit with over 100 attendees. 45 of those attendees were pantry operators, and we were able to hear words from Speaker Coughlin on his support of food insecurity statewide, as well as hosted some panel discussions and presentations. With ongoing support from County Exec Guy, along with the Board of Commissioners, the Food Security Task Force continues to expand our efforts. our Department Director, Doris Toon, our Food Security Navigator, Chloe Campilia, our Program Development Specialist, Nicole Brown, and myself continue to work alongside the entire task force to identify creative ways to support our pantries and residents while increasing community partnerships to eradicate this plague known as food insecurity.